Hey guys, it's Lil Chin Chin here, aka Chin Guy Heat. Today I'm doing a live cop of the Carbon Blues, dropping on Easy Supply. So to start off, you're gonna want to make sure you have a billing profile, and you're gonna click here. You're gonna go to your profile, click create. Then you're gonna want to make about 10 tabs. When you do it, you want to do it kind of slowly. Just take your time. Just let them sit in queue. Oh, my bad. I've been seeing a lot of people bombarding Spectre about how to work the little browser. It's not really a bot. It's more of a mobile autofill and multiple users, similar to how people do it on desktop with Chrome for iOS. And normally you use about 10 tabs, and then you just have them all sit in the queue till they get passed. He just added not auto rotate. The auto rotate is coming soon though. He added a ding once you get through a waiting room, similar to how it is on Adidas for Easy Supply and Adidas on mobile. So now once you're in the waiting room, you just wanna sit in your tabs. Don't refresh. Don't do anything. Just leave them. And you want to make sure you're not using a VPN or anything. Also, don't mass link change or anything, because that will cause you to get banned. I'll be back once I get through waiting room. Oh, sorry, my bad. That's the sound you hear when you get past the waiting room. And now you see the tabs, they light up once you're through the waiting room. And then I'm gonna select the size you want. I'm just gonna put in a size 9. Purchase. Checkout. Autofills your first, last name, shipping, shit like that. It doesn't do the other shit yet. It's coming soon. Credit card information is coming soon. As you guys can tell, this clip is about 12 hours later from the last clip. Since then, Spectre has now added autofill for payment page on Easy Supply. Adidas and Shopify is now coming soon. He also fixed Supreme autofill. So, all that good stuff is working. Thank you very much for enjoying this live cop. Follow me on Instagram at ChinGuyHeat. Thank you very much. See you guys next time.